Number 51. An adult male is randomly selected from a large group of runners. Use the information above to find the probability that the individual selected gets injured, given that he runs over 40 miles per week. So this is actually called the conditional probability. So notice it says, what's the probability given this other condition? And I think the most intuitive way to do these is by using a Venn diagram. So if we use a Venn diagram, I'm going to make the left circle runs over 40 miles per week, and the right circle gets injured. And then we can just use the table to figure out what belongs in the certain regions. So let's see what we can fill in right away. So runs over 40 miles per week. So this entire circle right here, this runs over 40 miles per week. This entire circle is 0.36. Runs over 40 miles per week and gets injured, that's just going to be the intersecting part. So that'll be right here. So that'll be 0.12. And then does not run over 40 miles per week and does not get injured. That's 0.57. So that's going to be on the outside of the Venn diagram. So let's see. It wants to know the probability that the individual selected gets injured given that he runs over 40 miles per week. So basically, we're just narrowing our Venn diagram to only the circle where he runs over 40 miles per week. So we're just worried about this part right here. So let's see. So the total amount in this circle is of course just 0.36 because 0.36 is the probability that you run over 40 miles in a week. And then out of that, the amount of people that get injured, well, that's just the intersection between runs over 40 miles and gets injured. So that's just the 0.12. These are the only people that get injured because if there were people in this region that got injured, they would just be over here in the middle. So the probability that you get injured, given that you run over 40 miles per week, that'll just be 0.12 over 0.36, which is the same thing as 1/3, which is the same thing as 0.3 repeating, and that's answer choice C. Alright, so if you have any questions from other tests, make sure to leave a comment and I'll make a video with a solution. With that said, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. This has been Investigative Math, and I'll see you next time.